Hello everyone, my name is Ayansh and I study electronics and circuits in Mecharon Robotics. So, today I am going to explain about AND gate project. In this project there are two inputs and one output. When both the inputs are high, then the output comes out high. So, in this project, I have used two resistors of 10 kilo ohm and 470 ohm, 2 NPN transistor, 1 breadboard, 1 9-volt battery, 1 LED, and 2 slide switches. So when I have shorted the emitter of first NPN transistor to the collector of second transistor, and the positive of the battery is connected to the emitter of second transistor through a 470 ohm resistor, and the negative of the LED is connected to the negative of the battery, and the slide switches are connected to the base of NPN transistor through 10 kilo ohm resistor. So now I am going to show you the simulation. So when I have switched on first slide switch, but LED is not glowing. When both the inputs are high, the output is high. That means LED glows. Thank you. Hope you liked it.